Hi, it's Papa D. I'm back on the wind chime. I gotta cut these or get the string off here and then restring the new ones on there. See what we come up with. So that's what we're working on today. There you are. I used a old stringer reel that I had. Oh, excuse me, Jesus. And then I think that one only takes 4, but I got them pretty well level. Got some weed trimmer line that I'd found somewhere, and I just made that up real quick. This is an 050 .050 line, so it's pretty small. That's not quite where I want it yet, but I wanted to show you. I want to give it a test run. That's how excited I am. So thank you. If you like what you're seeing, I just used materials that I had around here, and just seeing what I could do. Just got out and done something instead of watch the TV. Talk to y'all later. I just wanted to show you that the wind chime is working. Never fixed one before. Apparently this is a 4-dinger one. A couple things I need to fix. My sail or wind catcher, it's not on there permanent. That's why you see the black tape. But the clanker thing there, I need to raise up somehow. I ain't decided how I want to do it yet. You can hear it ring though. I just repaired it and got it back out here. Sounds good. Papa D saying goodbye, and not goodbye, but see y'all later. Thank you for your support. Please subscribe and hit that like button. Smash that thumbs up. Thank you. Have a good day.